How to fix mic not working on PC. Let's get started. First of all, check sound settings. Go to the bottom right corner, right click on the speaker icon and select Open Sound Settings. Now scroll down to the input section. Make sure your correct microphone device is selected and check if the input bar is moving when you speak. Next, let's check your privacy permissions. Click Start, go to Settings, and select Privacy. Now, on the left hand side, under App Permissions, choose Microphone. Make sure Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Also, scroll down and individually enable apps that need mics like messaging, Skype, or Zoom. If you have tried all these steps and your mic is still not working, it might be a hardware issue. Try plugging the mic into another computer or test a different mic on a current PC. If you're on a laptop, try using the built in microphone as backup. That's it. One of these steps should help you get your mic working again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.